You're gonna need lots of help if you want to work efficiently and comfortably, my friends. Have you done sending? No. What? Now, see how this brilliant product changes the way we work. Work differently with X KIT. Introducing X KIT. World's first integrated and foldable ergonomic hub stand. Your efficient and healthy companion for remote working. 5-in-1 USB-C hub integrates all the necessary ports for easier connections. 4 adjustable angles fix your posture, say goodbye to neck, arm, and shoulder fatigue. Aircraft-grade aluminum alloy plus PC ABS base, lighter but harder. And the hollow triangle design offers great heat dissipation to prevent the laptop from overheating. Whoa, that was fast!
And here.
It supports 4K HDMI display with 3D. Thanks to its compact design, you can use it anywhere. Cafe, outdoor meetings, of course, back to the office. Basically, anywhere you go.